So now I'm bringing in a piece of our Shimmery White Stampin' Up! Cardstock. Shimmery White can take a little bit more water than our Whisper White cardstock, however less than our watercolour paper. It just has a beautiful sheen on it. So this time I'm going to use my blue and my green. It's a Parisian blue and a moss green, and you can see I'm just tapping out a little bit of the colour, just like I have done previously. That's your blue, and then not over the top, just in a couple of different spots, I'm bringing out the green. You can see that you hardly use any of the Brusho crystals. Then I'm just going to pick up my aqua painter. I'm going to squeeze it so that the brush is quite wet, and then I'm just going to colour wash or water wash over the top of the Brusho to release the colour crystals. Now if I wanted to fill in the rest of it, I could just put a little bit more Brusho over the top and just colour in the rest. But that just shows you another way of just using the Brusho with your aqua painter. It's just a totally different look than painting it with the painter's palette or sprinkling and then spritzing over the top. So that again will be a perfect image to stamp over the top. Great for those masculine cards that we often all get stuck on.